Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, be sure to give this video a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know the next time I post a video. Today you guys are gonna walk with me through making a wig on an industrial machine. Today we're gonna be using body wave. I'm gonna be trying to get 3 bundles of 28-inch, and I'm gonna use a 18-inch closure. I'll show you guys what that looks like. I've already bleached the closures. It's a 4x4. So the knots already bleached on that bad boy. And then we got 3 bundles of 28-inch body wave. That's what we're rocking with today. So I don't know how I'm gonna style it. I think I might end up coloring it, kind of like an ombre or whatever. But I'm gonna do that once I get the actual wig together. And so yeah, let's do it. Okay, you guys, this is the cap that I'm gonna be using. It's a mesh cap, and I'm just placing it on the canvas head to try to get it, make sure it's even and flat. Not even and flat, even. Even there's markings on there that kind of let you make sure everything is leveled. And so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna go ahead and secure the closure with some T-pins. And they always do this off the machine because it's just so much easier. And then I'm gonna start sewing. A little pro tip is, when you're sewing, you want to start on one side, and once you get to the middle of the closure, you want to stop and go to the other side. That way your tension is always even, and it'll make for a better lay once the actual wig is on the head. Because if that tension is off, that closure is going to fold, and it's going to be annoying, and it's just not going to feel right. But yeah, so I'm just securing that bad boy. I did about two layers of stitches, if that makes sense. I went around one full time, then I ran around again just to make sure, because if you don't secure that as well, once you get ready to cut under it, it'll unravel and it just won't be right. So this is what it looks like. I've already laid my lines out, and it's basically like a map for me when I actually get on the machine. Kind of helps me stay focused and stay balanced, if you will. But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and hit that pedal, put the pedal to the metal, and get this thing down, or get this thing done. And originally I said I wanted to just use 3 bundles, but I ended up having to go in and I used a bundle and a half of 22-inch, I believe. And so the overall look of this wig is gonna be, I'm gonna have to end up layering it, because it's a little bit of a separation, but not enough to where I could just leave it like it is. I have to blend everything and make everything cohesive. But yeah, this is what it turned out, or this is how it turned out, and I think it looks amazing. I mean, I think I'm getting so much better at using this machine, and so much better with just overall wig making, and I can see the progress. And like I said, y'all gonna grow with me. Y'all gonna see how much better it gets. It actually gets better than this, you know. But yeah, this is part 1, and I'm gonna make another video, a separate video for the coloring process, just so I can add as much detail as I possibly can, and you guys are gonna paint that bad boy with me. Guys, for watching through this video. If you are new, make sure you like this video and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new content. I'm gonna move over to part 2, and I'll see you guys there. and you guys can walk through this or paint this bad boy with me too. All right, so yeah, and before you go, make sure you follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and follow me on TikTok. I got other content on there as well on those platforms. So yeah, if you can do me that favor, I would forever appreciate it. And let's go to part 2.